The Bosch 800 series compact washer and dryer are amongst the best laundry you can buy. In this video, we'll look at some of the best features and reliability based on over 60,000 service calls over 2 years. Then we'll compare Bosch versus the other premium manufacturer, Miele. Bosch has some pretty compelling features. This set can wash and dry a smaller load in 30 minutes. You want that outfit washed in a hurry? Then the Bosch can get it done. In addition to the basic wash cycles, you can also wash by soil type, like oil, food-based, red wine, or grass. If you're not sure of the proper time or temperature for that particular stain, the soil cycle can figure it for you. You can also control your machines remotely through your phone through HomeConnect. This app allows you to turn the machine on or off, as well as choose cycles and view time remaining. In fact, this is one of the only few connected appliances that actually works great with your phone. The reliability of this Bosch is excellent as well, at 6.62% serviced in the first year of ownership. This makes Bosch one of the most reliable compact laundry sets on the market. Miele is the only premium competitor to Bosch, but offers a totally different machine. Miele is the best dispensing system for pods and detergents. Their best unit has 2 dispensers for better distribution of detergents, along with their honeycomb drum for better care of gentler fabrics. Miele's dryer uses 110 outlets and is compressor driven rather than heating elements. It is the most efficient and gentlest on the clothes. Bosch still has faster cycles, plus it's over $1,000 cheaper than the Miele. Should you buy the Bosch 800 series? You can buy the basic Bosch Sesenta and 500 series with far fewer features for $800 to $1,000 less. However, the 800 series is a solid machine with some unique cycles designed to make washing clothes easier. Miele is a better machine, but is way more expensive. However, with speed, value, and the best Wi-Fi controls in the industry, you should definitely consider the 800 series washer and dryer.